Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by positioning yourself downwind and checking the Neo's status. Battery above 30% and GPS lock or sufficient vision sensors. Once done, reduce forward speed to about 0.51 meters per second and begin a slow vertical descent at 0.5 meters per second. This minimizes lateral motion. Make sure controller sticks are centered except for gentle yaw corrections, and enable beginner or safe mode if you're unsure. This gives you more control authority and softer motor responses during the palm contact. You lower the Neo to chest level with a steady descent and hold it just above your palm to judge timing. Once done, align the rear LEDs to your line of sight by applying small yaw inputs. This centers the craft's belly toward you and avoids side impacts. Make your hand motion a gentle upward cushion as the drone makes contact. Think of absorbing, not stopping. If the drone drifts, correct with micro stick inputs. Don't make large corrections that destabilize the approach. You close your hand gently around the Neo as the props pass. Keep fingers relaxed to avoid catching blades while allowing the craft to nest in your palm. Once the prop wash settles and you confirm no blade contact, cut motors immediately using the kill switch. This prevents accidental rethrottle. If the drone slips during catch, push it slightly forward and up to regain stable hover, then land conventionally or retry the palm. One key troubleshooting tip. If unstable drift occurs,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.